All right, let's get this done, boys.
Stacked in this thing.
Oh,
shit. God damn.
Oh, man.
Hey guys, Ryan from Adrenaline Performance. We got a special visit from Tru Street Solutions today. They're going to show us their twin turbo kit for the F-150 platform. We're really excited to see it, and I'll give you guys a sneak peek.
This is our Tru Street Solutions shop truck. This is our turbo kit that we created for the average person that wants to bolt it onto the garage, take it to a shop, put it on. We partner with Cooks on all the piping. Every kit comes with HPT turbos. We've done a lot of testing with the 62s. That's where we get the best results, but we can go as small as 58s all the way up to in the 70s. Every kit comes with a 5.5-inch core intercooler, so no matter if you're just keeping our base kit, the 600 horsepower, or you can go up to 1,500 horsepower, it all works. This kit's developed to bolt up to everything stock. You keep everything from the factory. There's no modifying, fabricating. It can bolt up to your factory exhaust, or we have a Y pipe developed with Cooks. You can purchase that all bolt on it.
What do you guys think of this thing?
It's fucking sick.
Very big. It's very large.
It's very bougie. I'd say it's a little bougie. What do you think?
I want one. Yeah, that sounds
Your backpack.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Alright, me next.
What a ride.
We doing this?
I'm going 3 wide, baby.
So this is the slowest it can be right now on 10 pounds?
This is the absolute slowest. It's actually on like 9.3 pounds. We drove 7 hours. It's heat soaked as shit and it's 93 degrees out. So this is the slowest this truck will ever be, period.
But it's perfectly dailyable, huh?
Absolutely. I mean, we just drove 7 hours to get here. Forget about that.
Oh,
Shit. Sorry.
I wasn't ready for that.
Definitely hear the turbos, but it's not like an overbearingly loud drone. It's very tame.
Right.
It's not all the power right away. Like, you can just roll into it. It's fine. It's not gonna blow the tires off unless you want it to. So the amount of power it makes in 2-wheel drive with traction control off, you gotta be very careful because these things are very light in the back end.
Yeah.
But with 4-wheel drive, you can hit it going dead stop dig, 30 roll, 50 roll, whatever you want. It'll spin the tires, but it'll go straight as can be. These are heavy 22s with a very hard compound tire on it because we really wanted to show people this is exactly what it will be. True street truck, no additives, no anything. You can stop at any gas station. This thing will still lead at over 600 horsepower.
Insane. I can't wait to go for the polls.
We're not a big shop, we're not this. We have different, me and my partners have different backgrounds that come together because one of our partners, race cars, street cars, tuning, this is all he's ever done. I'm more of the enthusiast with business background, or other partners sort of the similar way. And we have, combined, we've probably got 50 plus years of automotive experience with one of them. He's a well-known tuner, builder, everything. And we're like, how can we funnel this into a product that checks all the boxes? Like, we want quality. We want it to where it's user-friendly. We want it to make, we don't want to be the cheapest. We don't want to be expensive. We just want to be all around the best.
Right.
And that's what we did with this kit with everyone we partnered with, from Cooks, HPT turbos, to Shearer Fab, to all the main components. It's like, we want to give everyone the best right off the gate. It's not like different levels of, you can upgrade this later, do this. It's like, we want to have the best out of the gate so you have the best experience, because we've all been burned by, bad experience with parts and whatnot. We want to sort of take that off the table.
Oh, man.
We're on 80 and still spinning. We were going
That's fucking wild, bro.
Holy, I just heard nothing but tires the entire time.
This is with a heavy wheel, a very hard compound tire, so you get a tire that actually sticks.
Yeah.
Man, this thing's got a freight train.
Insane.
Man. It does it all, man. This is the ultimate street vehicle, in my opinion. I've owned a lot of stuff, and this is by far the most fun and versatile vehicle I've ever had.